Today we pack the Shinx sleeve label machines for our Jordan customer. This is our workshop for Shinx sleeve label center sewing machines. End of the year, we don't leave too. End of the year, we only, you can see, these machines all have the paper label on them. Currently, we only have 3 sets stock. Center gluing machine can send before Chinese New Year. Others are already ordered by our customer. Our center gluing machine have 5 servo motors. You can see here have 5 servo motors. Because the most important for our machine is the gluing control system and the tension control system. Why customer choose us? Because they judge our machine is a very friendly machine. The maximum speed of our machine is 450. This is for if the film direction changed, you can press this button. And the tension control, the diameter is automatically detect. You don't have to set it. This is the glue control. And here have some functions. So when you use this machine, you only need to rotate normally the unwinding tension, no need to adjust too much. For the rewinding tension, adjust here, and for the glue quantity, adjust here. If a big difference, the width is too much different, you may have to change the tension here. And you can see setting. And this system is for acceleration because it's controlled by the servo motor. So you can set like the maximum distance for each side is 50 millimeter. Every step can work for 3 millimeter. And every time you rewind 2 cycle or 4 cycle, it is all can be adjusted by the touch screen. And here we have the stop diameter and the pre-stop diameter. It means when it arrives this diameter, the machine will stop automatically. Why we make this function? Because for you easy to feed the film. And this function is for the formula. You can keep more than 100 group data inside. Every time you just select one data, no need to set the parameter.